Welcome back, everybody. It's your boy Mark, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to remove your outer tie rod on either the front passenger or the front driver's side. So the first thing you want to do is loosen the bolts, loosen your lug nuts. Then we're going to lift up the car, put it in the jack stand, and then let's proceed. Once the wheel is removed, let's go inside the car and turn the car all the way to your left. Therefore, you can see the outer tie rod much more closely and you have enough space to work with it. So let's get in the car and turn the wheel all the way to the left. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the pin and then the castle nut. We're gonna just loosen, but we're not gonna remove it. And then we're gonna go ahead and loosen this right here. So go get your wrench. It's time to remove this. Just go ahead and spray some WD-40 right by the thread. There you go. Okay, you just gotta loosen it, don't remove it. All right, there, it's loose now. Now let's go ahead and remove the castle nut and the pin. For this part, I'm zooming in because it's gonna be quite hard to record while I'm doing it. But as you can see, there's a pin and the castle nut. So let me go ahead and remove it. All right, there we go. There goes the pin. Now let's go ahead and remove that castle nut. There we go. And start loosening it. It's gonna be here for a while, so let me just do that now. All right. Okay, right now I'm gonna fully take it out and see if I can just bang that out. Well, if I could try to reach a hammer in there, mind you, I still have the caliper in there and I haven't taken it off. Let me just leave a little piece of it back on. Okay, let's see if it's gonna come out. Okay, let's see. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some WD-40 right there. So let me get started now. Here's a trick. Put the wrench here and then hammer right here. So this is a good way to remove this outer tie rod without removing your caliper. So hold it in place like this, make sure it's in place, and then just hammer right here. I'm gonna do that now. All right, it is out. Now in order and how I got it out, I just showed you, I used the wrench and then I applied pressure. After a while, I gave that a good couple of whacks. Then I went underneath the car and I just started hammering right, see my thumb? I started hammering it right here, but I was underneath the car and then it came down. All right, so now let's go ahead and proceed. Check this out. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. All right, so now, hold on, let me just put my foot there. All right, so now take a 15mm wrench and hold. All right, you're gonna need 15mm wrench to have it hold here, and then take your hand and twist this that direction and count how many turns it does. So far I'm at 5. I just paused the videos to show you guys. So I've taken that, I take one hand holding that wrench, holding this, so you can twist this that direction. Because if you just decide to take this, it's not going to, it's just going to continue spinning. It's not going to go anywhere. So something needs to be held right here to hold this rod, so then you can spin it. So far I'm at 5 turns. That wrench helped me because I was holding it here and I was able to spin this 16 times. So when I put the new one in, I got to spin it clockwise 15 times. All right, old one, new one. This one does not have a castle nut. Let's see if it has the hole for the pin. Does it? Does it? No. All right, well, either way, it must be used. So let's do this, because right now I do not have an outer tie rod. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy in. All right, as I mentioned, you're gonna screw it back in and you're gonna twist clockwise. For me, it was 16 times, so I'm gonna do that now. All right, and once it is counted, you make sure you tighten that right there, and we're gonna go ahead, place this bad boy in here, and then start locking that up. Make sure you tighten this. Go. All right. Make sure you tighten this until you feel it's firm. All right, so once you're done tightening up the nut, there, everything is tight and firm. You're gonna go ahead and put the wheel back. Well, you're gonna straighten out the wheel and then put the wheel back. Pretty much it. I have everything done in reverse order, and then don't forget to get a wheel alignment. And then you're good to go. Hopefully this was an easy video for you guys to follow and you guys could do it on your own.